Hello guys, welcome back to our new unboxing video, and let's get into it. Two things. One, as you notice, the camera is shaking. My tripod is at school, so just bear with me. And two, the box is again upside down to privacy reasons. So let's open the box. Alright, box is open. The sun is shining now, and let's see what's inside. This is from a good friend of mine's, Backcast Emporium. I've always wanted to get this. And it's wrapped. And voila. Uh-oh. That's the one to focus, because the battery is low. There we go. So we have the 2016 Ford F-250 made by Sword. And I'm not going to take it out of the box because my battery is running dead. I haven't charged in like, I think, 2 weeks. So I apologize for not opening the box. But yeah, this is my first pickup truck model out of, let's see, I started a new company, plus this one, plus the current one that I have, plus I want to make some custom stickers for a couple of pickups. And so I guess, and a couple of personal ones as well. So this is pickup truck 1 out of 40, I guess, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. This is some very blurry footage, so yeah, see you guys next time.